we don't get a manual as being a parent. And so dealing with teenagers, I know how I was as a teenager and didn't want to repeat that.
Prosper is an investment in the community. It gives kids tools for resisting peer pressure, avoiding drugs and alcohol, having a good relationship with their parents as well as teachers.
I thought it was interesting meeting the other kids there, but also getting to know more about my parents. Some of the things that we worked with were like saying no to drugs and alcohol and not to stay closed and secluded.
I think it's helped, and we've seen a lot of benefits because they don't hold things in. They all come to us and want to share their experiences and share their frustrations. And it's made an open line of communication between us all.
And it was just kind of amazing to see parents from all these different backgrounds, both wealth, ethnicity, coming together and finding out they had the same problems, same concerns, and the students did as well.
There's not a one family that I would say that walked away that didn't say, boy, I learned a lot from that experience.
United Way of Greater Fort Dodge, our top priority is trying to help our youth reach their full potential. And today more than ever, we believe that the challenges that our children, our adolescents, and our teens are facing are greater than they ever have been. We see Prosper as a real solution to those challenges. Prosper's done a great job evaluating what they do, they quantify it, and the results have been very, very positive.
It changes people's lives, and now studies are showing it is by far, reducing the drug and alcohol usage and increasing so many other factors in people's lives that make families stronger.
Prosper helps reduce those risky behaviors, and it makes them make better decisions about who they hang out with.
I believe the Strengthening Families program, the Prosper model, the All-Stars program have been very influential in reducing the risk of referrals my department has been receiving.
Prosper has definitely reduced the crime rates in Estherville.
Prevention programs like Prosper are very cost-effective for community, and that's savings in future mental health services and drug and alcohol, rehabilitation service. It could be money spent in the juvenile justice system. So it really is a great benefit for communities to invest in prevention programs such as Prosper.
We have dwindling financial resources, and we have a number of good programs like Prosper who compete for those dwindling dollars. And so I think the biggest challenge is finding the funding to continue to maintain the program in our area.
Every dollar that people have invested has been well worth it, and I just can guarantee you that it has made a significant impact on every family's life that has been part of this program.
When you work together with the Prosper program, you're creating an environment where kids are responsible, they're learning the tools to make good choices for their future and for the future of their community.
We need programs like Prosper has that show you that we do these things together, and when we support each other, then we grow stronger. Strengthening family.